Minkejja li Malta għandha storja rikka ġiet imqabbla stess ma' startup bit-tkabbir ekonomiku b'saħħtu dan intqal mill-fundatur u l-Kap Eżekuttiv ta' EU Startups f'kumment ma' News li EU Startup Summit li qed isir għall-ewwel darba f'Malta fl-għaxar edizzjoni tiegħu wara li kien diġà ospitat fi bliet kbar bħal Barranin u Barċellona.
Malta is a very beautiful place, of course, so people from all across Europe love to travel here. It has a very welcoming population. You guys speak perfect English aside of Maltese, and in a sense, Malta itself is a bit of a startup, right? Of course, you have a rich culture, rich history, but you're small in size. The economic growth is there, and you have a lot of international and national talent. So I think having the event here in Malta is a great fit, and we're super excited to be here.
News kellem ukoll ma' Kap Eżekuttiv ta' kumpanija Norveġiża li mifruxa f'diversi pajjiżi Afrikani u issa qed tara li tiftaħ fl-Ewropa, speċifikament f'Malta.
It's a strategic location because we're currently active in 10 African countries and now we're looking to expand in the EU. So they're bringing forward amazing initiatives for us to set up here in corporate, as well as also the beautiful lifestyle of Malta, which we've heard so much about. And even the impact and focus now in terms of advancing to digital and advancing their digital security and cybersecurity efforts. That's why we're here.
Tkellimna wkoll ma' Kap Eżekuttiv ta' kumpanija lokali li ilha topera aktar minn 100 sena f'pajjiżna u issa qed tagħti l-esperjenza tagħha lil dawk li jridu jibdew negozju permezz ta' dan is-summit.
Nixtiequ nagħtu opportunitajiet lura lill-ekonomija u lin-nies bażikament li għandhom idejat tajbin biex jiżviluppaw l-idejat tagħhom u nużaw l-esperjenza tagħna biex ngħinuhom jikbru fis-suq u fl-idejat li għandhom.